Hi lovely people, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Do you guys know that in engraving there's a lot to navigate? So I did not waste a day, I started immediately. So this is a honeycomb bed where we do the engraving from to protect the table. And I decided to keep my tools right there because why not? There's nothing there, and so it's time to collect the material. We're going to use acrylic today. I don't know if you guys know acrylic. So that's the remote, and that's the base, and that's the cable. So we're going to do acrylic. This is how it looks. We have different shapes. We have the heart, pentagon, and then this round one. So I removed the plastic and the film, the protective film, and this is how it looks like. Very clear, but very delicate if not handled well. So I put it on the honeycomb bed to start the work. I'm so excited, guys. Hope you are too. So let's go to the computer and see. So the first project here is going to be success wishes. And let me zoom in so that you can see very well. Yeah, to my son Hashim, I wish you success in your exams. May Allah guide you through the whole period. I believe in you. I know you can do it. That's what we're going to do here. With no wastage of time, let's fire here. So it has started engraving. Like I told you, it's burning, but not with fire. It's with laser. So the laser major has started its work, and I had to close because I don't want to smell those fumes. You cannot see the smoke in the air, in the atmosphere, but still you'll smell it if you're very close. That's why I had to put this enclosure to protect my life and other people's lives that are around me at the workshop. So that's the closest view that I can give. Yeah, I opened, and then it's done. Yeah, I had to skip it because yeah, it's a long process and it's the same thing. And now it is done. This is how it looks like. Please don't say so soon because it took 45 minutes to do that. So I had to wash off the smoke from the paper, dab it with a tissue to dry. Don't wipe, because if you wipe, maybe you can damage it. Yeah, before it even reaches its owner. So you just dab and then let it dry. Look at this beauty. Gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And wait until when it goes to the base. That's when you see the real beauty of this thing. So I had to put a tissue because that honeycomb bed is kind of rough because it's metal, of course. So I tried it on two bases because I have two kinds of bases. I have the black one and it has a remote, like you see. You can use a cable or you can use batteries. So the one that is easier for you, or you can use both. So you can use electricity if you have, and when it's gone, you know, here in Uganda it's on and off, then the batteries will be as backup. There you go, guys. What do you think? What do you think? That's project number 1 on the engraving machine. Naye nga nababuuzizaako bannaye. Hope everyone is doing okay. So please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like. Yeah, because if you like, it really helps this channel grow. It helps these tutorials go really far to those people that really benefit from them also, and those that enjoy these projects. Thank you so much, guys, for the love, for the support, and everything. Be safe, take care. I sign out. Bye bye.